You guys, good morning. We are charging the car up right now and we are going to be on our way to our campsite at Custer State Park in South Dakota. Okay, so my tire pressure dropped a little bit and I have this thing called Air Moto that my dad got me for Christmas, and I'm gonna try to put some air in the tires with this little rechargeable device. ChatGPT says that the PSI for Tesla has to be 42. This is all new to me. Hi guys, okay, we are now in Minnesota. We have about 8 more hours, including charging, but I wanted to show you some of the snacks that I'm eating on the road trip. I am like mostly plant-based. I do eat eggs. I got this Louisville jerky from Amazon that is actually really freaking good. They have a bunch of different flavors. My favorite is the smoky Carolina barbecue one, and then I also got these little bean snacks from Amazon too. Bada boom, these are really good. Obsessed. We will see when we get to South Dakota. We are setting up at a campsite tonight for 2 nights, so I don't know if I'll be able to record that because we're getting there after sunset. Stay tuned, I'll keep you updated. You guys, there's coyotes out there. We just got to our campsite. We set up our little tent thing attached to the car, so I'll show you that in the morning. We put the car into camp mode and this is what it looks like. Has a little campfire going on. How cute is that? We're gonna get some rest for the night and get up and do a little bit of work and go on some hikes, so stay tuned. Good morning guys, we made it to our campsite late last night and we set up the car tent. We did not set up our full tent because we were just too tired to do that. But this is what the car tent looks like. So you open up the trunk and attach this to the back of it. And it has a screen. And so we slept with the car in camp mode and had the screen on it. And it gave us a lot more space. Basically just gonna see where the wind takes us. I wanna make some matcha, do my morning things, get myself woken up. I literally just woke up and I will talk to you soon. Okay, so it's the morning at our campsite. We charged the car last night because we have an electric hookup spot and we charged it with this 1450 adapter and it took about 5 hours to charge it to 100. So that actually worked out really well. I will get her all set up and then show you what it looks like when I'm done.
Here we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Leia. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too. Woohoo!
It's a girl! It's a girl, dude!
We're at the Mount Rushmore National Memorial. We're about to go see Mount Rushmore. I have lost Nick though. I don't really know where he went. He likes to climb rocks and just kind of run away sometimes, so I'm just gonna wait till he gets back. Nick! Oh, there he is. Okay.
Sadly, the tree nicely.
Have any of those with the drill marks? You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, how weird is that?
I've never been to any.
Me either, not yet. It's we would like to see the Pyramid of Giza and then maybe like Göbekli Tepe. Actually, I won't lie.
Mix of
I'm not
both.
saying.
We just saw Mount Rushmore, and now we're going to do a little hike before sunset. I'm eating this little bean snack, and this is where we are.
They call that the Claw Rock.
You guys, good morning. It is 7:28. I've actually been awake like 5:30, but the sun didn't come out until right about 15-ish minutes ago. It is really cold here. Our tent had frost on it when we woke up this morning. But last night I was so anxious, like going to sleep, because I kept hearing noises around us, like really close to us. And I know that we're sleeping in nature and that's like a very normal thing, but I tell you, my heart was racing. But even the fact that I can just wake up here is crazy to me. Surrounded by redwood trees and just being present in nature, it just makes me feel very grateful to be alive, remember what's the most important to me, and reset my nervous system basically. Today we have to move from this campsite because someone is coming here, but we're actually just moving over to the one right next door. So I think we're just gonna pick up the tent and just walk it right over there. So we decided to stay an extra day, but we didn't book it originally, so that's what we're doing. And then I think we're gonna actually take showers here because we're at like an RV site because of the electric hookup for the car. That is the update I have for you now. I'm gonna do some of the morning things and then I will check back in with you in a little bit. These eggs are cold. Oh, this honey is cold. It's so cold. Put my honey on my egg so I don't get the ick, you know?
Go down over there. Hey.
Oh, hey.
How's it going?
Hey.
Number 6, right here. Wind Cave is number 6. They don't have a nice little drawing, but if you look right here, 6 Wind Cave, South Dakota.
Wind Cave, South Dakota.
Never been here before.
We're doing it.
I want you to do it because I've done the other one. And I wanted to do it like we have more of them, but we'll do them later. Can you leave your door open so the car doesn't turn off?
Yeah. That's where you need to spin me. Okay, stop.
Clean the.
Okay, we're at Wind Cave National Park, but we actually didn't check to see if the caves were open or closed, and they're closed. So now we're going on a hike in the prairie. Where are we going? We're gonna try to find some bison. So maybe we'll get lucky. We'll see.
Pass out of the shot.
Oh my god, I cannot believe what just happened. We just did like a 6-mile loop hike, and there were bison there, and one of them was right on the trail that we had to take to get back to our car. And so we tried to go around it, and as we were going around it, it started charging at us. It started charging at me, and Nick said run, and what'd you do?
Oh, I stood my ground and yelled, and it stopped.
He literally stood and went and then the bison stopped. New fear unlocked.
He was about, he stopped about like 5 feet away from me.
Yeah.
And went back to eating. But
And
he
then
was
we go
charging.
around the corner and there's like 4 more. And in the beginning of the trail, I was like, I hope we see bison. And then we did. No, I don't ever want to see one again. 10 out of 10 experience.